Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. When you're flying your drone in the winter, one of your key concerns is keeping your hands warm. And that's why I'm testing out these heated gloves from Savior Heat. Let's check it out. So the Savior Heat folks were kind enough to send me these ultra-thin, heated, well, they call them glove liners, but they're actually gloves unto themselves. You can, of course, put them inside another pair of gloves, but they're fully functional gloves. They have great dexterity on the ends. They are touch sensitive, and operating the gloves are super simple. You press a button, there's one on each wrist, for about 2 or 3 seconds. Little display lights up with 3 levels of heat. Each push of the button reduces the heat by 1. And a long press will turn them off. In the high heat mode, which thank you very much, I'll turn on right now, you're supposed to get 2 to 3 hours of heat, and in the low mode, 5 to 6 hours, which is pretty amazing. And as I said, you can use these on their own or inside another set of gloves or mitts, using them as glove liners. So on the inside wrist of each glove, and it's completely out of your way so it doesn't interfere, there's a little zippered pocket. And inside that little zippered pocket is the battery. It's a 22 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery, and it is rechargeable. You just pull this little plug off. The kit comes with a special recharger that allows you to recharge the batteries both at the same time. Takes, seems to be about an hour to fully charge the batteries. Let me get these things back on. There's a sizing chart on the Savior Heat website that allows you to measure your hand and determine the appropriate size for you. These gloves come in all the way from double extra small to double extra large. These particular ones are medium large. So yeah, it's about -4, -5 degrees Celsius right now. Not terribly cold, but I'll tell you, my face is feeling it with a little bit of a breeze. I've got a little temperature thing here. Let me check. The rocks down there are -3 on the ground. The backs of my hands are +12. I like that. Fingertips about +5. And I don't know whether you can see this, +14, +13, tips of the fingers, +8. Really nice and toasty. My test will be to see if I can fly my drone, including setting it up, with the gloves on. So let's go. My face is colder than my hands, that's for sure. All right, so there's the controller. Here's my drone. Can I get these things off? Yes, I can. Yeah, I'm finding these gloves very, very easy to use in terms of dexterity. Sorry, I'm just being real careful here because it is cold. All right, easy to set up my drone with the gloves on, no problem whatsoever. Now let's see if I can fly. Okay, so we're up in the air. Let's take her out. Definitely my hands are feeling nice and warm, which is fantastic. You know what? I think the ultimate test will be to take one of these gloves off. I'll leave the right hand glove off and I'll take off the left one. Got a little Velcro wrist strap there. They come off easy. I'm not so sure this is a great idea. This hand is already cold. So anyway, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, my fingers are already feeling a little stiff. So we'll go out, do a little bit of flying. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel the difference between the bare hand, which is turning to wood rapidly, and the heated glove. Oh yeah, I can tell almost immediately. My hand here is getting very stiff and cold. My other hand in the heated glove is perfectly fine. All right, I give up. I'm spoiled now. I'm putting the heated glove on. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, take a moment to thaw out, but yeah, that feels great. So yeah, I'm going to bring the drone back in again. Yeah, even a hand catch. Absolutely no problem with dexterity in these gloves. They are absolutely fantastic. I strongly recommend them. So yeah, the Savior Heat ultra thin glove liner heated gloves, amazing. They've completely changed my perspective on flying drones in the winter. Check them out. There's a link in the description below.